Infinite Void. Pure Data. Tutorial by Infinite Void.
In this video, let's create a random audio frequency signal generator. First, let's introduce you to the object called random. Let's first start off with adding a bang because it will need that to trigger random. Then let's add a random with the value of 1000. You can add any number into random. So since we added a value of 1000 to random, it will generate numbers between 0 and 1000. And if we change the value of 1000 to something else, for instance, a 5, it will generate random numbers between 0 and 5. Now we can start by making our audio frequency signal generator. Let's add an oscillator object. In this instance, we'll use OC tilde. Then let's add another object, multiply tilde, to control the volume. And finally, let's introduce DAC tilde and create a digital analog converter, which is also aka digital output. Let's click activate the volume control, and now let's click on bang to hear the random sounds. Instead of always clicking on bang, we can create a rhythmic pattern through the use of metro. Remember, metro is timing and also known as the metronome and is timed in milliseconds. Let's create a toggle and a metro timing of 500. Now let's activate this metro by turning on the toggle. As you can see, we are no longer clicking on bang and using the metro to click the bang for us at the specific timing. Congratulations, you have now created a random audio signal frequency generator. You can always try other things, such as changing the oscillator OC to phasor, and you'll get different sounds. There are so many possibilities on what you can achieve when you figure out the fundamentals. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! As previously mentioned in another video, I have a digital online book on the software Pure Data. You can find the link to the website below in the description box. This book is updated on the go. The update will be made when a Pure Data tutorial video is published onto my YouTube channel. You can find a link to the code in the description box. I upload my code to GitHub. I believe it's important to make your code available so that others can learn from your code. This is why I often share and upload my code to GitHub, so it can help others grow. Thanks for watching!